Hello and welcome to Let's Talk Meshing's Tutorial Tuesday, where we explore a feature in just a few minutes. In this week's video, we're discussing the list panel and how to use it effectively. Let's get started. If you've used Pointwise for any amount of time, then you've already been exposed to the list panel. On the left side of the screen is the panel, and at the top are three tabs. The one we are concerned with is the one called List. The list panel is just what the name implies. It is a complete list of all the pieces and parts that go into your model. At the top we have blocks, and then domains, all the way down to groups. Let's talk about selection. This is where the list panel really shines. For example, if you want to select a block, there are two ways to do it. The first is to hover the mouse over the block in the display window like this. You can see the block is highlighted, but also note that over in the list panel it's bolded. And when I click on the block in the list panel is now highlighted. That means it is selected. It works the other way around too. If I move the mouse over the list panel and I select the block there, note that the block in the display window is also selected. And just as we did with the block, we can also select any entity in the list. For example, to see all the domains, click on the triangle next to domains, and that will expand the tree. And here you can see all of the domains that make up this model. I can choose the domains by clicking on them like this. If I want to select multiple domains, well, there's a couple ways to do that. If the selection is a contiguous list, then pick the first domain, then hold down the Shift key and select the last domain. Note that all the domains in between have been selected. And if I want to select multiple domains in a non-contiguous list, well, I do that by holding down the Control key as I select, like this. Lastly, if I want to pick all the domains, well, then all I have to do is click on the Domains column title. And this works for all the other entities as well. If you'd like to organize your entities in the list in alphabetical order, well, simply click on the Names column up top. If you click on it again, it just puts it in reverse alphabetical order. This works for the other column headers as well. If you'd like to change the name of an entity, just double-click on it, type in the new name, and press the Enter key. One last tip. If your list is grayed out for some reason, and you can't select anything, well, that just means that the selection mask for the entity has been disabled. It's an easy fix. Just go over to the Mask toolbar, usually on the right side of the screen. In this case, we can see Domains has been disabled. There's no check there. Let's check it. And note that once again, I can select Domains. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.